The media practitioners in Nigeria have been challenged to be fair and just and ensure justice and equity in the reportage as it relates to terrorism. The national president of Nasrullah Fati Society, Engineer Camille Bolariwa, made the appeal at a World Press Conference ahead of the 21st anniversary celebration of the Islamic body held in Lagos. Sukomi Ajao now reports.
The national president of NASFAT Worldwide, Engineer Camille Bolariwa, while speaking on the program lined up for the 24th anniversary of the Islamic body, said it is time for Muslims to unite in the face of the changing world that aspires to change the creed of Islam and eliminate its core values and laws. According to him, the 24th anniversary provides a unique opportunity for new partnerships for public enlightenment and mass education of people on what Islam truly stands for.
You must factor this. All our appeal, or my appeal to you, my media brothers and sisters, is to try and understand Islam before you report Islam. And once you do that, you will find that you will be fair and just in your reportage of the religion.
Other stakeholders in NASFAT also spoke with newsmen.
The main aim of inviting you is just to appeal to your honorable and your respectable profession that when you want to do it with fairness, with justice, and report nothing but the truth.
For example, in women's program, we have a Dawa program, we have society. Because Almighty Allah said, you know me before you worship me. And if you know him, you will worship him the right way. It will reduce, it goes a long way in reducing misconception about Islam. Because there's a lot of misconception about Islam. For example, the case of hijab. You know, hijab has been on for the past 400 years. Even in the Christian world, you have the norm. Even before time immemorial, people have been wearing hijab. You know, women wear diamond. Diamond is hidden. Silver is hidden. And all the treasures of life are hidden. And that is women.
Part of the programs lined up for the 21st anniversary include the formal opening of NASFAT Mosque, Abuja branch, by President Muhammadu Buhari in April 2016, foundation laying of NASFAT Mosque at NASFAT Islamic Center in Ogun State, among others. Sukomi Ajao, MITV News.